The trophy truck was modeled in texture by myself. I built this truck from the ground up, which includes the frame, chassis, wheels and tires, and all the suspension parts, upper and lower swing arms, rack and pinions, whole works there in the front. Same for the back, suspension with a 4-link suspension in the back. My joint setup was actually quite simple. It has a central joint that runs down through the suspension and goes on out towards the wheels and tires. So let's get to the controls here. So in the frame, I want to make the animator's job easy. So starting off with squashing down and lifting up. I also have the roll. The individual suspension can be also animated. It's got the squash there. And the tire, the dual deformer, which makes it pretty nice because then you can still rotate, if I can grab it, rotate the tire accordingly. Steering. Turn this. I also have a steering control here. It rotates everything. Rack and pinion slides. Works. Same with the steering wheel. The rear is pretty much the same thing. It's got the up and down squash. Same sort of stuff with the deformer. All the 4 links back there rotate and bend the way they need to. The reason why I set it up this way was for one simple reason. It's pretty much to self-animate. So what I did here is I built out the scene, and I have some set driven keys here that, some constraints that will make the truck roll on the surface of the ground. And the way I have this set up, it will squash and bend to the surface of whatever it's rolling on. So what I did here is set out a couple frames. I'm going to switch the panels here. I made a couple cameras. I'll show you the main camera, and I'll just hit play here on the time slider, and the truck will animate across the ground over jumps, bumps, whatever. Made him jump off the ground there. Go ahead and switch it to a different camera. Here's the front section. Let's get a fresh one. Shows you all the should have hit that a long time ago. Get to a different view. Thought this was fun, an in-camera shot. And I've got a couple more that kind of shows off the parts moving as it rolls across the surface. Tires are spinning, things rolling and bumping and jumping and squashing and moving. It's pretty fun. And lastly, I think I have one more to show. Let's look at the side one. Bumps, whoops.